Okay, awesome. So we're gonna learn how can I identify the vertex of a quadratic equation in standard form. So how can I identify that point using that? And so we're gonna use this form, we're gonna use this idea that the vertex is at the point X, and that is at the point negative B over 2A. I'm identifying the vertex of X by using negative B over 2A. And so my vertex, in that case, is saying A, because remember, standard form is AX squared plus BX plus C. So that means my A is 3 and my B is negative 12. I include the sign when I'm doing that, okay? And so this case, my vertex is negative 12, and this is negative, so X equals negative 12 over 2 times 3, which, remember, these negatives cancel, become positive, and so I get 12 over 6, which is 2. Okay, now the last step to figure out my Y value, I want to figure out when 3, I want to plug in 2, where minus 12 times 2, minus 1. Okay, so I want to figure out what is Y when X is 2. Remember, f of X is the same as Y, which equals 2 squared is 4, so 3 times 4 minus 24 minus 1 equals 12 minus 25. Okay, which in this case is negative 13. Okay, and so my vertex for this equation is 2 comma negative 13. Okay, so we're gonna look at one more example though. I want to show one more example just so that we're clear on how to do this problem. Okay, so I'm given the quadratic x squared minus 3x plus 22. We'll say here, y. Remember, I'm using a x squared plus b x plus c. And remember, I'm saying that the x point is negative b over 2a, okay, which in this case is the negative of negative 3 over 2 times 1, which is x, boom, plus 3 over 2, okay? And so I want to use 3 over 2 this time, okay? So now I'm figuring out, I'm plugging in x for 3 over 2 minus 3 times 3 over 2 plus 22. So since this 3 over 2 is a fraction, I'm going to plug that into my calculator. Okay, and once I plug that into the calculator, I get y equals 19.75. And even on the last one, you could go ahead and do that as well. And so I get the point 3 halves, comma, 19.75. Okay, and so those are two examples of how I use this idea of negative b over 2a to identify the vertex of an equation.